Alright, here we go. We're going into the battle. Frosty domination. Here we go. Arathi Blizzard. I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, make sure you subscribe and like this video. If you're on Facebook, like this video and tell your friends. And add me, Rebel Gaming, and I'll be putting a link to my profile. Add me today, okay? And right now I'm playing as the Brewmaster 7.5. As an update for the new PVP system added in Legion, and we're going to be doing basic domination.
Where are we going today, Grandmaster?
Oh boy. Alright, here we go. As you can tell, if you've ever played Arathi Basin before, it's kind of different. Visibility sucks.
Good luck, Grandmaster.
I am out of range.
Alright, guys. Bada bing, bada boom. Or maybe not. Well, I got frickin' zerged on that one. Holy crap. Holy crap, where did I freaking go out? Oh, okay. I think what happened was, I don't even know how I got over there, holy crap. I really don't know what happened. This is very interesting. I've never seen something quite like this before in a long time, where we're actually... I don't know what's going on, guys. I just don't know what's going on. I've never seen this. This is very unusual.
Where are we going today, Grandmaster?
Never zerged him this bad before. The Alliance finally just got one of their home base back. But if we can pull this off, we could really...
I am out of range. I am out of range. Out of range. Too far away. I am out of range. It is too far away. It needs to be closer.
Well then. But I've never seen, there was one game before I seen where it was, we actually zerged them completely. We took all 5 bases. Within less than 30 seconds we were able to complete, within less like maybe 2 minutes we won the game. Because we had controlled all 5 bases off the get-go. Which is very rare. For especially Horde, or especially in any game, especially Arathi Basin.
Good life, Grandmaster.
Well, he's down for the count. Excuse me.
Have I told you the tale of the hosen and the buttercream pie? Perhaps best saved for another time. It is too far away. Target. I need to I am out of range. I am out of range. It is too far away. Too far away. Out of range. Too far away. Out of range.
Very nice. Wow, I think I made it top 5. That's kind of high up there. That's awesome. How many kills did I get? 41 honorable kills. 41. That's what I'm talking about. Alright guys, that was Arathi Blizzard. Leave your comments on the comments section here on this video, and I hope to see you guys again. That was Arathi Blizzard, and I am excited to see what they do with this the new Arathi Brawl. This is the live game. We'll be doing PTR stuff here soon. Put in your suggestions in the comment box, and we'll see what we do next. This is Rebel Gaming. Until next time, stay